After Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky delivered a speech to the U.S. Congress, which was appreciated by the audience, U.S. President Biden immediately announced that he would increase various arms worth $800 million to assist Ukraine, including the new Switchblade suicide drone. This large number of military aid projects will include 800 needle-launched shoulder-fired anti-aircraft missiles, 1,000 LAWs, 2,000 Javelins, 6,000 AT-4, and other anti-armor missiles, 100 Switchblade suicide drones, and a large number of light weapons, and 20 million rounds of various ammunition and shells, bulletproof vests and helmets, and 25,000 sets each. After NATO has donated more than 17,000 anti-armor missiles to Ukraine, adding 9,000 this time makes the number of anti-armor missiles in Ukraine far exceed the sum of tanks and vehicles that the Russian army can send. In particular, the Switchblade series of drones for this aid was launched in 2011 by the American company AeroVironment. The U.S. Special Operations Command began to purchase and use it in 2017, and it is divided into two styles of Switchblade 300 and 600. Both Switchblade can be fired from a small launch tube and can be easily carried by a single soldier. The 300 series is 61 centimeters long, weighs 2.7 kilograms, and has an explosive power equivalent to a 40 mm grenade. It can attack targets such as infantry or light armored wheeled vehicles, has a maneuvering range of up to 10 kilometers, and can stay in the air for up to 10 minutes at a maximum distance, and after locking on the target, it can dive strike at a speed of 161 kilometers per hour. The 600 series weighs 23 kilograms and is equipped with anti-armor warheads, which can destroy various armored vehicles or bunker targets, with a range of 40 kilometers, and stay at the longest distance for 20 minutes. After finding the target, it dives at a speed of 185 kilometers. The Switchblade series is guided by cameras and GPS, and can be controlled manually by the operator. The attack route can also be preset to find the target and then attack. If the situation changes, the team member can cancel the attack and reset the route at any time. Due to the use of electric motors, the Switchblade flies at a low volume, making it difficult for the enemy to detect and increasing the success rate of surprise attacks. Compared with the Javelin anti-armor missile with a range of about 4.8 kilometers, the Switchblade suicide drone assisted by the United States this time has a larger range and is aimed at the most vulnerable top of the armored vehicle. Ukrainian army team members can safely hide in concealed places 10 to 40 kilometers away and use drones to detect and attack targets. For the Ukrainian army, which lacks air-to-ground attack capabilities, this weapon will bring great help.